Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the electrical supply and charger match the EV's charging requirements. This prevents overcurrent trips and slow charging. Once done, park with clear access to the port, turn off the vehicle, and engage the parking brake so nothing moves. You then inspect the cable and connector for dirt, bent pins, or damage because a poor connection causes heat and faults. Make sure the circuit breaker is on, and the charger displays ready before you proceed to plug in. Next, authenticate with the charger using the app, RFID card, or on-screen prompt. This ensures billing and safety protocols are applied. Once the charger indicates ready, align the connector straight to avoid bending pins and insert until you hear the latch click or feel firm engagement. You should then watch the charger and vehicle LEDs, which confirm the communication handshake. Charging profile, voltage, and maximum current are negotiated. If the current is lower than expected, to finish, confirm the displayed charging rate and estimated time to reach your target, and plan to stop around 80% for daily charging to preserve battery life. When complete, end the session on the app or charger, unlatch the connector gently, and stow the cable to prevent tripping hazards and water ingress. If anything goes wrong, error lights, no handshake, or low current, first reset the charger and check the breaker. If that fails, re-authenticate or move to a different station as a diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.